Peachies and welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the SAEM's best collection that we got from Hermo. So join me as I unbox this interesting collection. Now the first product I'm going to mention has a super long name, which is the Urban Eco Harakeke Essence Cream. So this cream is meant to be very good for those with rough, dry skin with its Harakeke essence. Now when I first saw this product, I bet you were thinking the same thing as me. What on earth is Harakeke? So I googled for answers, and from what I've seen, it looks something like an aloe vera plant, but apparently it's even better. Now the best part about this cream is that there's no oily or sticky feeling when it dries down. So I think this is really great if you want to apply it before makeup, as it keeps your skin moist and it does not move your foundation at all. Now the second product I'm going to talk about has another long name, which is the Eco Earth Power Light Sun Cream. Now, I've heard of sunblock and sunscreen, but not sun cream. So I went to Miss Google again for help, and I found out that sun cream is actually a type of sunscreen. Now, did you know the difference between sunblock and sunscreen? Sunblock actually blocks out UV rays entirely, but it leaves a white cast on your face. Whereas sunscreen is slowly absorbed into your skin and it doesn't leave a white cast, so it's perfect if you want to use it before makeup. However, it needs to be reapplied after a few hours as it's absorbed by your skin. Anyway, I find this product okay texture-wise. It doesn't leave any sticky or oily residue when it dries down, and it's absorbed into the skin fairly quickly. However guys, I really need to mention about the smell. It's the typical sunscreen smell, so maybe some of you will actually enjoy it. I personally find it too strong. I applied it on my hand and I left it for a few hours, and until now, I can still smell it. So if you're sensitive to smells like me, I wouldn't really recommend this sun cream for you. Now I'll move on to the cutest product in this collection, which is this Mousse Candy Tint. We received the shade Cherry, which is this bright red, and it looks so pretty. It keeps my lips looking so moisturized, which I personally really like. But guys, I have the same issue with this product, which is the smell. It is very strong. Let me emphasize on the very. It is so strong that the moment I opened it, it's like a shot to my nose. It smells very artificial, and I understand that they can't make a real cherry smell, but I wish that they just tone it down a little bit. However, when I applied it on my lips, the smell doesn't linger, so I think even if you're sensitive to smells, this product is still okay for you. Have you tried any of these? Comment below if you agree or disagree with my comments. And if you'd like to purchase the SAEM's products, you can get them from Hermo, or you can just click the link in our description box below. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!